strašná rána.
Tak jak vypadá 405 po další offroadové akci? Zajímavě.
You divided your mind from the things that make you real. Now you think you are awake to the world that's on display, but you're blinded by the horror. I think you dug yourself in jail. Now you think you are alive, and now you see reality. But the truth behind your mind and your insecurity. Oh, oh, get there, get the rude boy. Oh, oh, take you back to your school, boy. Oh, oh, your priorities are too rich and teach your social every now. Oh, oh, get there, get the rude girl. Oh, oh, take you back to your school, girl. Oh, oh, your priorities are too rich and teach your social every night. You're so jolly big day. Yo, I can see in my eyes that I'm living the lies. I divided my mind from the things that make me real. My connection is gone from the world that it's shown, and I divided my mind from the things that make me feel. Now I think I am awake to the world that's on display, but I'm blinded by the horror that I dug myself into. Now I think I am alive, that I see reality, but the truth behind my mind, I'm an insecurity. Oh, oh, get there, get the rude boy. Oh, oh, I take you back to your school, boy. Oh, oh, your priorities are too rich and teach your social every now. Oh, oh, get there, get the rude girl. Oh, oh, I take you back to your school, girl. Oh, oh, your priorities are too rich and teach your social every night. You're socially bleak. You're taking no negative vibe, you put it aside, you're keeping it in your mind. But what pride, you feel alive, you need some TLC. Frustration, you be, you're giving it to the world, but you cannot affect me. You're taking no negative vibe, you put it aside, you're keeping it in your mind. But what pride, feel alive, you need some TLC. Frustration, you be, you're giving it to the world, but you cannot affect me. Oh, whoa, oh, get the rude boy. Whoa, oh, take you back to your school, boy. Whoa, oh, your priorities are too rich and tease. Your social living now. Whoa, oh, get the rude boy. Whoa, oh, take you back to your school, boy. Whoa, oh, your priorities are too rich and tease. Your social living now. Whoa, oh, get the rude boy. Whoa, oh, take you back to your school, boy. Whoa, oh, your priorities are too rich and tease. Your social living now. The rude boy, oh, oh, I take you back to your school, boy. Oh, oh, your priorities are too rich and teach your social every night. Oh, oh, you take it, the rude girl. Oh, oh, I take you back to your school, girl. Oh, oh, your priorities are too rich and teach your social every night. Socially play, your socially play. Oh, 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 oh.
She work it, girl, she work the bowl. She break it down, she take it low. She's fine as hell, she's about the dough. Doing a thing right on the floor. And money she making. Look at the way she's shaking. Make you wanna touch her, wanna taste her. Have you lusting for her? Going crazy, face it. She's so much more than you used to. Knows just how to move to seduce you. She's gonna do the right thing, touch the right spot, dance in your lap till you're ready to pop. She's always ready when you want it. She want it like an info, the info. Show you where to meet her on the late night till daylight. The club jumping if you want a good time. She's gonna give you what you want. Baby, it's a new age. You like my new craze. Let's get together, maybe we can start a new phase. The smoke's at the club sweat soaking all into my set sheets. When you're ready to ride, I'll be ready to roll. I'll be in this bitch till the club close. What should I do in all fours? Now that shit should be against the law. Different style, different move. Damn, I like the way you move. Girl, you got me thinking about all the things I do to you. Let's get it popping, shorty, we can switch positions. From the couch to the counters of my kitchen. Baby, it's a new age, you like my new craze. Let's get together, maybe we can start a new phase. The smokes at the club all hazy, spotlights don't do you justice, baby. Why don't you come over here? You got me saying, hey, oh, I'm tired of using technology. Why do you sit down on top of me? Hey, oh, I'm tired of using technology. I need you right in front of me. Ooh, she won't sit, ooh, she won't sit, she won't sit. I gotta give it to her. She won't sit, she won't sit, she won't sit.